What's going on, guys? George here from The Average Car, and today I'm looking at this 2016 Chevy Camaro RS with the V6. I want to shout out to Power Kia here in Salem for letting me take the time to look at this. So let's go ahead and just get right into it. If you guys do like these videos, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. It helps me a ton, along with the like button and comment. Let's just chop it up, have a conversation down below. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm gonna keep it real. I'm not super familiar with Chevy's lineup, at least with the Camaros and the specs they have to offer and the features they have to offer. So I'm gonna learn as I go and just try to keep it pretty simple for the namesake of The Average Car. So the first thing you're gonna notice here is just a super aggressive stance. I mean, it's a muscle car, guys. What do you expect? Got the super narrow headlights there, along with these beautiful lines coming down the hood. RS badging down there, and then kind of an LED strip right there. Let me go ahead and turn the lights on for you and see, show you what it looks like. Come on now. You see this pulling up behind you at night? Let's go. Got these beautiful 20s right here, and just kind of love the look with the machine metal look with the black. It looks super good, it pops a lot. And then got this Camaro badging right there. Not a ton of crazy, accents or anything going on. Things are just kind of like all black, not a ton of chrome or anything. Not trying to be fancy, it's just trying to say, hey, I am a Camaro and I can move fast. And coming over to the back here, you've got the traditional Camaro rear end that they've been rocking with for a little bit now. Got the RS badging down here, dual tips, both sides there. And then just wide. I mean, look how wide that is. Come on now. Come on now. Thick. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. I'll show you these key fobs here. These are not anything fancy. I'm honestly not a big fan of these. Chevy's had these for a while. And let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, door slam. See what we got here. That's a big door. Nice. Okay, we like that. All right, there's a lot going on in this space here. Kind of got the Transformer vibes happening right now. Not something I'm used to, so I'm just gonna try to be as unbiased as possible. All right, so you got these two gauges over here in the center, and they're very classic and very simple. I do really like that. They're not fancy. They're not trying to be, super modern with them, but you got a huge screen of information, which I'll show you here in just a second. When it comes to the steering wheel, you kind of got this flat bottom and whatnot. It looks super good. Everything seems pretty ergonomic when it comes to your heated steering wheel, your cruise control, navigation, or sorry, infotainment control right here with your, favorites and volume control. And then all of this is going to be to control the information center right over here. Go ahead and turn this on, push button start right there, and then bam, things are just gonna pop up. Look at that. And gotta remember, we're in a completely different set of, in a completely different type of vehicle here. This is not your, Mazda 3. This is not an economy car, so there's gonna be a lot more going on. While it's not my thing, it fits for this vehicle. There's a ton to know. You can change your units of measurement, and there's just menus on menus on menus over here. So there's a lot happening, but it makes things easy. Everything is still just right in here. Coming down to the infotainment system, things are simple. I kind of like the way it sits. It has this accent lighting right along the sides over here, and things are super simple, nothing too fancy over here. This has a Bose sound system right now, and of course there's a commercial. Coming down to your climate control, it's pretty easy to control. Once you kind of look at it for a couple minutes or so. You got your heated and cooled seats over here, and over here for your passenger and driver. And then you've got your vent control right there. You can turn it on, you can sync it up, auto, AC, and then recirculate right over there. Fan speed adjustments right over here, and then defrost is right over here. It does kind of look weird at first if you're not used to how Chevy kind of designs things, but it's actually pretty simple once you kind of get the hang of it. I kind of do like how they have it set up. It's just like climate controls here, radio controls here, I just love when car manufacturers do that. And then your vents right over here, kind of manual adjustments. I do love this a ton. And so turn this up, you can actually adjust the temperature like that there, which is really nice, and then down. So turn that off. And then emergency lights right over here. Gear shifter feels nice, feels sporty. And then right over here, you've got your mode button. This is gonna, you know, you can take you to tour, sport, and then snow and ice. But there's no snow and ice, so we're gonna be chilling. And then you got these tiny cup holders. Literally do not know what these would fit besides like a Crystal Geyser water bottle and maybe a Red Bull. Like you're not gonna fit, like here's my, this is the iPhone 11 Pro. Like you're not gonna fit much of anything in there. Coming over here, you don't really have a ton of space, but then again, this is not what it's for. This is just a driving machine. You're supposed to have fun in this car. And that's what it is. It's not meant to have a ton of space. It's not meant to fit, you know, 64-ounce hydro so you can go and drink your water on your 6-hour road trip to do whatever it is the hell you're doing, you know? This is just a driving machine. You're supposed to have fun driving this. It's supposed to be engaging. It's supposed to be able to see all the information you want to see, very close to each other, and just go and have a good time with it. So I get it. Seats are super comfortable. I do really like them. Got a moonroof right over here, which is nice to see the stars when you're driving, and map lights right there. Got kind of like this ambient light right over here. I don't know, you can kind of tell there. Ambient lighting right over there. And yeah, this is pretty much it. It's a beautiful interior, honestly. The first time I sat in this like 20 minutes ago, I was like, this is not really my vibe, but honestly grew to like it after sitting in it for 5-10 minutes or so. Actually really liking how Chevy kind of laid things out, and things just feel like I'm driving, you know, a driving machine. I'm not just sitting in a car. I'm in a driving machine, something I'm supposed to have a good time in. So beautiful car, love it. Last thing we're gonna do is I'm just gonna show you how to open the hood, because these can be a real pain. So coming over to the front here, you're gonna go a little bit to the right of the emblem right here and stick your finger kind of down, and then move it to the right, and then bam, just like that. And this is the RS. I did not know the RS had the V6, but this does have a V6 in it. And just even driving around the parking lot, this was actually pretty fun. It has some spunk, some get up, which is really cool. So that's gonna be the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and actually sitting there and just taking a little bit of the ranting and the learning and figuring things out as I was recording. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and let's chop it up. Thanks so much for watching, y'all, and I will see you next time.